Hello everybody and welcome to another episode of Tezla Maths. Today we are going to be doing mean, median, mode and range. So what all of these terms mean is just different ways of finding the average of a group of values. So here we have a group of 9 different numbers. So first of all we're going to find out how to work out the mean of these numbers. So the first step of doing this is by adding up every single number in the list. So once you've got the number, here we've got 22, what you're going to do is divide it by how many numbers there are in total in the list. So here we've got 9 different numbers, so we're going to do 22 divided by 9, which gives us 2.44. And this number here, the number 2.44, is the mean of all of these numbers. So now we're going to work out the median of all of these values. So the first step of working out the median is by ordering the list from lowest to highest. So once you've ordered all the numbers in the list, you should get a set of numbers that looks similar to this. And what you're going to do is find the number that is exactly in the middle of all of these values. So there's an even amount of numbers on each side of the number you choose. So in this example, it's going to be this number 2 right here. And so our median is going to be the number 2. But what happens if we were to add in an extra number? For example, the number 6 right here. Now that would mean there'd be 2 numbers directly in the middle of this list. There would be this number 2 and this number 3. So if this case ever happens, you have to add both of these numbers together, which is going to give you 5, which you're then going to divide by 2. And this will give you the median of 2.5. Right, to work out the mode, you have to figure out which one of the numbers is the most common in the list. So firstly, we'll look at the number 1. Now there are 1, 2, 3 occurrences of the number 1. The number 2 occurs twice. The number 3 occurs twice. The number 4 occurs once, and the number 5 occurs once. So this means number 1 is the most occurring number in the list, and that is our mode. So to work out the range of a list of numbers, what you've got to do is take the highest number, which is the number 5, and take away the lowest number in the list, which is the number 1. 5 minus 1 is going to give us 4, and 4 is our range. So right on the screen we've got a brand new number list for you here. What I want you to do is pause the video here and try and work out the mean, the median, the mode and the range for this list of numbers. Right, so hopefully you've unpaused the video. I'm going to go through what the right answers are and hopefully you've got the same as me. So for the mean, you add up all of the numbers, you get the number 27. You're going to divide this by how many numbers there are in the sequence, which is 9, and you should get your mean as the number 3. Right, so for the median, you have to order these numbers from the lowest to highest, which I've done at the bottom of the screen here, and you should locate the number that's in the middle, which is the number 3. So for the mode, you've got to work out which one of these numbers occurs the most in the list. And if you've done it correctly, you should know the number 3 appears 3 times and is the most common number. So the mode is 3. And finally, we have the range. So you take the highest number, which is 5, take away the lowest number, which is number 1, and you should get the range as 4. So hopefully you've all got the same answers as me, and if you're feeling confident enough, then go and try out our mean, median, mode and range game that we've got. So thank you very much for watching, and I will see you on another episode of Tezla Maths.